Strong earthquake hit central Croatia on Tuesday, with some injuries reported as well as considerable damages to roofs and buildings southeast of the capital. The earthquake was felt throughout the country and in neighboring Serbia and Bosnia. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center said an earthquake of 6.3 magnitude hit 17 miles 46 kilometers southeast of Zagreb. Initial reports said the earthquake caused wide damage, collapsing roofs, building facades, and even some entire buildings. The same area was struck by a 5.2 quake on Monday. Buildings collapsed in the town of Petrinja, some 37 miles 60 kilometers from Zagreb. Croatian Red Cross said it was responding to very serious situation in Petrinja following the earthquake. Stephen Hicks, a seismologist at Imperial College in London, tweeted, "We can probably expect quite strong shaking and hence some damage to buildings from this earthquake.